Hey, I'm going to show you one simple way on builderall, one of the tools that builderall offer, and you can use this tool to create simple daily revenue. Okay, so let me show you the tool and show you how you can do this. First of all, the tool we're going to be using is this. No, Mockup Studio. Okay, there's a lot of people out there who want to put their brand on books. Wanna What happened? Okay, let's try that again. There's tons of brands who need to put their logo on books, computer screens, etc. So wait for this to load up. Here we go. Look at this. We've got course, we've got free windows, we've got every view you need. Look, even film posters, iPad Pro. This is what you need, and this is what people need for their product. Okay, so where will you sell this to people? Well, one of the main places is Fiverr.com. Okay, Fiverr.com do this easily. You can do this very easy. So let me switch to Vine. My bad. Okay, you can do 2D image into cover. And there you go. Look at all these people selling it. And since a lot of people already do to ebook cover, you can do to other things like the iPad or the phone screen, which you're more likely to get more buyers. Look how much they're selling this for. This is easy. This is very easy to do. He's made a lot of money from this. That's what we know for sure. And you can do that too. So thank you. If you need builderall, the link's in the description. Try it. It's worth it. It has all the tools you need, better than anything out there for the price anyway. Alright, see you later.